In the quiet expanse of Oregon, Susan, a woman from San Francisco, embarked on a harrowing journey when she purchased a 20-acre farm in 1991. Little did she know, the seemingly idyllic property would become the backdrop for a chilling tale that would send shivers down the spines of those who dared to unravel its mysteries. Determined to carve out a self-sufficient haven, Susan faced the daunting task of transforming the farm, devoid of basic amenities, into a livable space. Over the years, she hired workers, becoming a notable employer in the area. However, whispers of peculiar circumstances surrounded her as some employees left abruptly or seemingly contributed little to the farm's upkeep. In 2014, the narrative took a dark turn when allegations emerged regarding Susan's involvement in the disappearance and death of her former employee, Robert. Accused by Robert's children of unauthorized transactions using his ABS card, Susan found herself ensnared in a web of suspicion. CCTV footage from a local store revealed Susan, not Robert, using the card, prompting the police to delve deeper. Despite Susan's explanation that Robert had entrusted her with the card and money to care for his dog, skepticism lingered. The police, suspecting foul play, accused Susan of taking Robert's life and burying his body on her pig farm. Unfolding like a macabre novel, Susan claimed that Robert had transformed into a robot, manipulating her pigs to attack her and her husband. As the investigation intensified, Susan's demeanor grew increasingly erratic, particularly during a polygraph test. Unusual physiological reactions further fueled suspicions, casting a sinister shadow over her claims. In a shocking revelation, it was uncovered that Susan was suspected of taking the lives of not only Robert but also another man named Stephen, burying their remains on the farm in a macabre attempt to evade detection. The horror deepened as authorities discovered a staggering total of 17 concealed bodies on the farm, each shrouded in a veil of secrecy. Susan's dark secret was exposed, and she was ultimately sentenced to 50 years in prison, marking the chilling conclusion to the horror that unfolded on the pig farm in Oregon. The tale of Susan's crimes and the macabre discoveries on her property serves as a haunting reminder of the darkness that can lurk beneath the surface of seemingly peaceful landscapes.